how to pay for Prime Video subscription. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can pay for Prime Video subscription, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to pay for Prime Video subscription, all you have to do is simply go in and first of all launch the Prime Video application here. Once you launch the Prime Video app, you will be able to see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Once you tap the profile icon, just tap the gear icon that you can find from the top right, and then you're going to land on this page where you'll find this option known as manage account, and then you just need to go to the manage account option. Once you're on manage account, here you'll be able to see your memberships option over here. Now if you do not have a Prime membership, you'll see this option to subscribe to Prime Video. So here you'll find this option known as select payment method. Once you find the option known as select payment method, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the card information. You can also use the name on your account. Once you make sure that your card details are correct, you can tap the add your card option, and then your Prime Video membership will be successfully activated. This way you can pay for your Prime Video subscription. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.